What's up, everybody? My name is Paul. Thanks for watching. Wanted to share with you a little bit of insight into how you can make money driving Lyft without a car. That's right. You can drive for Lyft without having a car or even car insurance. And I'm going to tell you how. Lyft has a program called Lyft Express. And basically, you can rent a car through one of Lyft's partners, in this case, Hertz, from them. And what you can do, if you make a certain number of rides, right now it's at 135 rides per week, you can get the car for as low as $19 for the entire week. And that includes the car and the insurance. And these are nice cars, 2016, 2017, 2018 Camrys, Escapes, Kia Optimas. They're nice cars that you're gonna like to drive, with rear view cameras, with really nice dashboards. They look nice, all that. So I moved to Los Angeles about 6 months ago, and I didn't have a car. And I was like, how can I make money but still have flexibility in my daily life? I have a startup I'm working on. And so I started looking at Lyft, and someone told me I could rent a car, and I didn't even need to have my own car to make money through Lyft. And why this has been a blessing for me personally is you can make pretty good money if you put in the time. And I definitely put in the time. You can watch a couple of my other videos. One video is how I made $1,185 in a week driving with Lyft, and another is how I made $347.52 in 9.5 hours driving Lyft. So that is pretty big money when you think about you don't have a boss. You can do it whenever you want. You can rent the car as long as you rent the car for a week, you're good to go. But some people even rent it more. I don't do that because it's hard to drive as much as I do for more than like a week and a half. And then I want like a couple day break to relax and all that sort of stuff. And then, so I'll return the car and then pick another one up a few days later once I've had some rest. But, you can make some big money. And if you make, on my other video, I go into more detail about it, but there's a day I made 350. I made 293 before, and a lot of days I'll make something like 240, 250 on a Friday and Saturday, driving from like 3 to 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. And it just really depends. Some days you'll get really good tips. Other days, peak hours. Other days you won't get either of those. And it's just a bad luck day. But overall, I know a lot of us out there, including myself, could use an extra $200, $250, $300 in their pocket on their time to pay whatever it is, sort of debt, or you have a concert you want to go to, whatever it is. So Lyft Express is a really good program for those who want flexibility, who want to put in the rides. And you can watch my other videos, and I break it down a lot more. A little plug here: you can earn $500 to $1,000 upon signing up using my promo code Paul96986, and that code is also going to be in the bio right below us. So if you do that, you're going to make you $500 to $1,000, and you're going to make me $500 to $1,000. And I'm so deeply appreciative. I've had a couple people sign up, and it's great to see other people getting use out of the program, because it's certainly helped me a lot. So hope this helps. Leave any comments, questions below. Like if you found the video somewhat helpful, that would be great. Appreciate it, and definitely drive safe out there. See you guys.